Okay, so till now you have seen a lot of overviews, job agent session, dashboards, and all those things, right? So now let's directly jump into the AI interview. But before that, suppose this is the candidate, he might have not received this invite properly. You can resend them, you can reschedule it. Also, if they are asking you to check this again, right? Suppose they are asking you like my invite is not proper or something like that, you can always take this and send it to them. Again, this is kind of a safe, fail-safe method, but this is what is working. Also, suppose you want to try this out. So click on this, copy the account access ID, and paste it here. And this is the candidate, start the interview. So for the candidate point of view, you will be seeing that it will check the lights, the candidate face, eyes, and all those things. Okay, so also it will capture image for you to, refer later that this is the candidate who gave the interview or not. Simple, right? Also, it will check the voice to, to get a profiling of the candidates, which can match it later. Give the share, then candidate needs to give the screen share for the entire screen. Okay.
Hope you're doing well. I'm Arjun, and I'll be conducting your interview for the React Native position today. Whenever you're ready, go ahead and introduce yourself. Tell me a bit about your background.
So for this right now, you have three options: end the interview, start the recording, or skip it. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll start the recording. Hi, my name is Bhaskar, and I have some experience in React Native. I have worked quite a lot in React Native, and this is pretty much a small thing about this. I have made some SaaS applications related to restaurant apps, related to tourism, and related to some small cricket related apps.
Sure. Got it. When you build those apps, how did you handle state management?
Okay, so suppose you gave these things, like you're not satisfied with your answer. As an example, oh, I forgot how I did that.
Sure.
I suppose you don't like this answer.
All right. Tell me about the last API you integrated into a React Native app.
Suppose you don't like the answer of the previous one. You cannot go back. Remember that you cannot go back and you cannot change that answer. But I did it in some specific way. But suppose you want to change the answer which you currently gave. Okay, so in that case, you can just re-record it. So I've using Axios or Fetch to call the APIs in my React Native app.
Got it. What did you do when an API call failed or timed out?
Okay, so before I answer that, let me show you one thing. Okay, okay. What I wanted to show you is right the coding part. Suppose you click maybe Python, right? And you can see that I can just simply do this. It's working. I can do for the TypeScript. Mm, it is working, and I can also go for the Java part, right? So what I wanted to show you is that it will also capture the your coding part. Like if the AI or maybe you as a interview panel, you wanted the candidate to like do some coding part, so it will be working fine. Okay. Okay. So also let's see this thing. So remember, understand that I didn't give a good answer for this question.
Did you implement retry logic or just show an error to the user?
Remember, we have one more option, that is skip. So what if the candidate skips all the answer? You don't want that, right? You want the candidate to know all the questions, answers. You want that. So if I skip it,
One moment. No worries. Let's shift gears. You are building a restaurant app. User taps an order button. Network is slow. What happens?
So if I skip all the answers, so that means like as a candidate, I can choose which answers to give. So that should not be one of the options candidates should get that easily. But some here and there relaxation should be there, but not all of them. So if the candidate skips the answer or maybe not giving the answers properly for more than 3 times in a continuous fashion, in that scenarios the AI will not the AI will think that okay, the candidate is not interested, which will happen. Suppose if I'm not interested, I can skip one question, I can skip two questions, I'll not skip three questions or more. So in that case, if the candidate skips or maybe he's not giving the answer properly for 3 times or more than that, then the AI will exit the interview.
One moment. Bhaskar, thank you for your time today. Your responses have been recorded and we'll share feedback with HR very soon. All the best.
So that's it. Thank you for your time. That was the demo. Thank you.